This is the intro.
Yes, intro. Get here, Joshua.
What are seasons? Seasons are a phenomenon in the Sun-Earth-Moon system. There are 4 seasons that occur throughout the year. These seasons are spring, summer, fall, and winter. The seasons occur due to the Earth's tilt on its axis.
This phenomenon occurs constantly. You notice it when it changes the average temperature every 3 months. This occurs on the Earth. Almost every other planet have seasons because they have the same fixed axis tilt like the Earth. The season of spring runs from March 1 to May 31st. The season of summer runs from June 1 to August 31st. The season of fall starts September 1 to November 30. And finally, the season of winter runs from December 1 to February 28 or 29 if it's a leap year.
The seasons happen because of the Earth's tilt and the Earth's orbit around the Sun. Have you ever wondered who discovered the seasons? Well, Hipparchus of Nicaea discovered them in 150 BC. The seasons also may have been known to the Babylonians.
When summer and winter start, the first days are called the summer and winter solstice. The summer solstice, or the longest day of the year, occurs when the Earth's axis is closest to the sun. The winter solstice, on the other hand, occurs when the Earth's axis is farthest away from the sun. There are also occasions when the Earth's equator passes through the center of the sun's orbit. This is called an equinox. These occur twice a year. The first is in March, while the second is in September.
Have you ever wondered if different areas of the Earth receive the same amount of sunlight? Well, places near the equator receive fairly constant light from the sun because of the curve of the Earth. Meanwhile, places in north and south experience cold winters because those areas don't receive much sunlight.
The system that creates the seasons is the Sun-Earth-Moon system. The Earth's rotation around the sun makes it so it's further or closer to the sun. The different seasons are caused by light having to travel further or shorter and becoming more focused or unfocused, making more or less heat. So when the northern hemisphere of the Earth's tilted away, it causes it to experience winter. Here we are demonstrating that when the Earth is in the northern hemisphere is experiencing spring, and the southern hemisphere is experiencing fall.
Now we are showing that when the Earth is west, the northern hemisphere is experiencing summer, and the southern hemisphere is experiencing winter. Now we are showing that when the Earth is in the south, the northern hemisphere is experiencing fall or autumn, and the southern hemisphere is experiencing spring.
Finally, we are demonstrating that when the Earth is in the east, the north hemisphere is experiencing winter, and the south hemisphere is experiencing summer. Have you ever looked up at the sky on a summer or winter day? Well, on a summer day, the sun is higher in the sky, making the day longer. On winter days, the sun is lower in the sky, making the day shorter. The location of the sun in the sky also affects how long the day is. Wait. Have you ever looked up at the sky on a summer or winter day? Well, sky, making the day longer. No, wait, wait. This phenomenon occurs constantly. You notice it when... What? Don't talk fast. Don't talk fast. Let me know when you're ready.
Oh, I've been filming this whole time.
No.